What's up, guys? It's your boy Amir and Vera.
Trying to see which way.
But today we're gonna be walking Dupton. We walked Nova earlier. In the morning we're gonna do not a morning routine, but tomorrow we're gonna do not a small basketball video, but an actual court. I don't feel like I heard, but. And here comes
Avery. It's your boy Avery, you already know.
So we walking around the block with the everybody love him. He ate something.
Yeah, y'all know Super Jason Nana come. She the best YouTuber with us.
Yeah, look, he's starting to get big. Yeah, I wish we could walk over right now, but his leash messed up. Look at him. He's trying to go where that swallow was.
But he looks small on camera, but he big in person. But right in the board.
I could let him go right now, but I really don't feel like it.
We're gonna taste that chihuahua.
It's getting chilly out here, bro.
On me.
Hey, bro, chill out. Hey,
Let him go.
yeah.
I don't care. I got the video pointed at it.
Y'all, I'm finna let him go.
What's her name? Snowball. Why you let him go?
Cat sized him up.
It's okay.
Y'all, sorry about my smack, but cat sized him up. That cat made himself look big. Hey, y'all, look at our sky. Look at our trees, man. And down there, wait. Back down there, we go further down where we used to live. Where we used to live. Where we used to live? Yeah. Let me finish this. Y'all, we need to hurry up.
Why?
Our camera's gonna die.
Boy, good.
What? You heard what?
Our camera's gonna die.
Our what? Oh, our camera. This is good.
Yeah. He almost beat up that dog right there. Got him. That thing's lit, bro. We got a whole bunch of puppies over here and everything.
Oh, yeah, here. And you see, I seen that brown. Oh, get out of the road, man. I seen that puppy. The one that you like. Oh.
Mhm.
Yeah, I seen it. Here's right here.
On me? On you?
On me.
On you.
I'm getting up this tunnel.
On you, Avery. On you. You put that on you, bro. Y'all hear that? He put that on him. But we finna walk past my friend's house. Fishing guy. He got a whole bunch of go-karts, mini bikes and stuff. We come over here and ride them. This weekend we're gonna do a video with him. Guys, tune in. We finna move, right? Tune in for that house tour. Tell them, Vera, tune in for the house tour.
House tour.
Oh, tune in for Vera's birthday too. That's coming up too. Dude just yanked this dog. But me too. But we got a whole bunch of dogs in our neighborhood.
Keep in.
But it's dogs up here that will bark at us like crazy. Oh! But, Bear, you want to speak to him about your birthday and the house tour and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so
Look at
excited.
him.
Yeah. My birthday is October the 12th.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have macaroni and what?
She got macaroni and cheese, beans,
Yeah.
grilled chicken, fried chicken, hot dog. I'm gonna try to get her a pet on the birthday.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's a guinea pig or anything. But
I don't know who. Well, there might be envelopes, or I might just be telling
them
people
dogs
to.
that I was talking about, y'all. Here they go.
See him?
Look at Duncan, y'all. He just want to get to him. But nah, look at him.
I'm bending down though.
You sure?
Y'all move out the way.
There's one right there by that
Y'all
bush.
look at Duncan. What's wrong, Duncan? He's trying to drag me, my dude.
That ain't gonna happen. They got their owner right here.
Don't y'all hear something? It's like,
Something said that like that, but y'all gotta speed up. Come on. If this video end right now, peace, y'all. If it end in a little bit, I just want to say, all right, y'all. Tune in for bangers. All right. We're gonna be doing bangers this weekend, cause right now we're actually in school, so hit the jets, hit the jets, hit the jets, hit the jets. Duncan finna start pulling me. Look at that. Look, that beeping shows me that I'm going way too fast. So
because I'm not about to
y'all hear the dogs in the background.
go fast.
But like I said, peace if this video is about to end, like on me. If this video about to end. I'm just kidding. Oh. Now why you ain't just keep going? Dunkin' Donut, come here, boy. Look. Oh, my baby.
He's scared.
That's my baby right there. But y'all know how in our other channel, the All the Kids channel, we had Nova, and y'all know he the escape artist, right? So tell me why today. Well, I know why today he came to us when he ran away, but he ran away. Both of them. He was chasing the Chihuahua. Nova, he was just sitting there using the bathroom, right? Y'all know how escape artist dogs don't come to you. And he came. Cause we be feeding him good.
He's trying to go around and block one song with
Yo.
I mean,
put him in a cage.
this video about to end though, right?
But